Healthiologist presents you this video on natural herbals for diabetes. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder in the endocrine system. Metabolism is the process to make energy from the food you eat. Mechanical and chemical means in your digestive system break down the food into nutrients your body needs. A metabolic disorder develops when there is any defect in this process. When this disorder develops, you might have excess of some substances or shortage of others that you need to stay healthy. Metabolic disorder develops when the liver or pancreas becomes diseased or does not function normally. Diabetes is an example. Herbal treatment for diabetes. Synthetic oral anti-diabetic agents exert their effects by various mechanisms. These chemical agents have certain drawbacks, such as develop resistance to long-term treatment, adverse effects and lack of action in large segment of diabetes patients. Approximately 44% of diabetes patients develop resistance to sulfonylureas treatment within 6 years. Additionally, these oral agents are associated with adverse effects such as bloating, flatulence, diarrhea and abdominal discomfort. Some anti-diabetic agents can cause toxic effects. Thiazolidinedione may cause liver toxicity, and sulfonylureas may worsen heart disease, cause hypoglycemia and increase the body weight gain. Alternatively, various plants provide hypoglycemic property and widely used in traditional systems to prevent or treat diabetes. Several medicinal plants have investigated for their use in diabetes. These plants may help delay diabetic complications and even corrects the metabolic abnormalities. This video focuses mainly on natural diabetes herbs used as anti-diabetic medicine in diabetes management. As per ancient literature, there are more than 800 plants having anti-diabetic properties. The literature indicates diabetes was well known since prehistoric age. The National Health Interview Survey found that 22% of people with diabetes used some type of herbal therapy. Herbal diabetes products have been popular all over the world. Certain herbs provide symptomatic relief and prevent diabetes complications. Some herbs can even help in the regeneration of beta cells and overcoming resistance. Some herbs exhibit antioxidant activity and cholesterol-lowering property in addition to the blood glucose level normalizing effect. Herbs for diabetes. 8 diabetes herbs for diabetes management. Ivy gourd has anti-diabetic effect by mimicking insulin in diabetic patients. The herbal ivy gourd possesses anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties, which protects against plaque formation and thus, to some extent, it may prevent heart diseases and strokes. Salacia oblonga binds with intestinal enzyme alpha-glycosidase that breaks down carbohydrates into glucose in the body. Thus, lesser glucose gets into the bloodstream, resulting in lowered blood glucose and insulin levels. Aloe vera has appeared to exhibit anti-diabetic action, still not understood. Additionally, it enhances glucose metabolism, thus results in blood glucose lowering effect. Bitter melon possesses anti-diabetic properties. It mimics insulin, increase glucose uptake, improve glucose tolerance and decrease hepatic glucose production. Additionally, bitter gourd has anti-hyperlipidemic effect. Cinnamon has anti-diabetic effect by mimicking insulin. It improves insulin-mediated glucose metabolism and enhances insulin signaling. Additionally, cinnamon lowers the blood cholesterol level, particularly LDL cholesterol. Fenugreek slows down the glucose absorption and other simple carbohydrates. It appears to possess insulin secretagogue-like anti-diabetic effect. Ginseng has anti-diabetic property, which mimics insulin and alters hepatic glucose metabolism. It increases insulin production and reduces cell death in pancreatic beta cells. Gymnema sylvestre is nicknamed as the sugar destroyer, which increases the regeneration of the pancreas cells. It improves activities of the glucose-utilizing enzymes, thus increase glucose uptake by the cells, and stops adrenaline from stimulating the liver to dump extra glucose. Subscribe to our video channel for interesting videos and visit healthiologist.com for useful information on diabetes, cholesterol, high and low blood pressure, eye and sleep problems.